Right now, we're seeing an intriguing divergence in banking sentiment with a score of plus 0.40, while momentum has dipped sharply at minus 0.63. This unusual combination suggests a disconnect between the positive sentiment toward banking and the negative momentum, which could indicate underlying volatility or shifting perceptions among consumers. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind this data. If you're building an application that leverages sentiment data, this could be a critical insight for risk assessment or predictive modeling. For example, you might want to integrate this into a dashboard for monitoring consumer confidence in real time, alerting your users to shifts that could impact decision-making. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.